Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Diane. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple bouquet using silk flowers. In this bouquet you'll see I'm using a self-made homemade container. I've put holes in the bottom of this tub and some oasis for dry flowers. I've used a wire cutter and I've cut all my stems off. So I've got my bunches of flowers. I make sure remove all my stems. I need to use them individually, and I make sure I cut them to a length that if I need to cut them again shorter I can do so. Never cut them too short. These are very bright and spring-like. They're vibrant colors flowers, so these are what I'm using right now. And all I'm doing is just sticking them in the oasis. I'm not adding glue to them because if I want to take them out and reuse them or whatever, I can easily do that. So all I'm going around and sticking all my flowers in and arranging them nicely so they look vibrant and nice to meet the springtime. You can make these flowers for outdoor. You can make them for a hanging basket. You can make them just to leave outside during the springtime to brighten up your outdoor area. And here these greeneries, I'm adding these greeneries. I bought them from eBay. I can't remember the link because I've bought them a while ago, and I'm just adding a bit of greenery to bring a bit of life and a touch of the Caribbean vibes to my decor. If you look at my design, it looks a bit Caribbean. It's very bright and vibrant, so I'm just adding flowers and go on just to make sure it's very full and it's nice. You will see when I'm finished it's all nice and full and full of life. It's just pretty, it's just beautiful when I'm done. So now I'm adding a bit of a palm leaf effect to it, and these flowers you can bend them to suit how you want them. These again was bought from eBay as well. You just add, if you look, you see I'm adding them in. I'm struggling a bit to add it there. When you add a lot of flowers, after a while you start struggling to get more in, but you will get them in. So see, it looks really nice with a Caribbean touch. The palm leaves just bring it to life, really vibrant. You can try this too, just flowers of your choice. Just make it, add a bit of class, a bit of touch, a bit of you to your design. And yes, that's it, my flower is all done. Should you try this design or try making one, come back and let me know how you get on. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, walk good.